Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today it's Linda's birthday. Now I really should have done this from scratch. I mean, it's not hard to make pizza nowadays, but this is going to be another product review on pizza. This one is called Vicolo, Original San Francisco Cone Meal Crust Pizza. It's a Beyond Meat product. It's plant-based, and this one says Beyond Italian Sausage. The other one I got here is the same thing, but it's got mushrooms in it. Now, why did I buy two? Well, they had this deal, and I just love deals. One pizza was 10 bucks, but if you bought two pizzas, it was 5 bucks. 10? So this is a $10 pizza, and this is a $5 pizza. I got these at Sprouts. So come and see how it works out. And Linda's going to show up at the end and show us all how she loves this delicious pizza that I got for her.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Really quickly, the directions say preheat the oven to 425. So we go to our oven, we press bake, and we put in 425. And you have to press start, otherwise it doesn't start. See, it says there, bake, pre. That's going. Next, it says on here, remove pizza from plastic and cardboard packaging. Unless you like plastic in your pizza. Place unwrapped pizza directly on baking pan or in the middle of the oven rack. Bake until cheese is melted, about 12 to 15 minutes. Let stand for 2 minutes before serving. Well, this is a frozen pizza. You have to add 2 to 3 minutes to the cooking time. So if it's going to be 12 minutes plus 3, that would make it 15 minutes, or 15 to 17 minutes, depending on. So we're going to try 15 because our oven, yes, it runs hotter, like Linda said. All right, so that's what we're doing next. This is a Crofton metal pan. I bought these about 3 years ago for demonstration purposes because my metal pans are a mess. I'll put it just like that. I'll be all ready to go in the oven. Okay, so now that we have the pizza on the Crofton pan, let me tell you about the ingredients. Something to think about. Cornmeal crust. So the cornmeal crust has got unbleached wheat flour, water, non-GMO cornmeal, non-GMO organic soybean oil, yeast, and salt. So this product from Vicolo is not going to work on the starch solution diet. But if you're vegan, it'll work. The topping is plant-based mozzarella, filtered water, potato starch, coconut oil, pea protein, sea salt, contains 1% of natural mozzarella flavor, olives extract, citrus fiber, lactic acid. Tomato sauce is a combination of tomato, Dyson juice, basil, marjoram, basil, black pepper, garlic, salt, sugar, and sage. The Italian sausage crumbles, a combination of water, pea protein, expeller pressed canola oil, and goes on from there. It says allergen inflammation, contains wheat and soy, manufactured in a facility that also processes real cheese and eggs, may contain milk or eggs. So if it went through a situation where they were making something with eggs, it would be contaminated with eggs. That would not be vegan anymore, which may be the reason why they don't have the vegan logo on it. They just have Beyond Meat and plant-based. I'm still going to try it. Okay, it's very, very high in calories. If you take a look at this, you'll have already seen this because I'll make sure that it's in there at the beginning of the video. But this serves 3 people. And each serving is 410 calories. So the total fat is 19 grams. Boy, that's a lot of fat. Saturated fat 6 grams, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 910 milligrams of sodium. That's really high in salt. Dietary fiber is 2, total carbohydrates is 47 grams, total sugar is 2 grams, and has 14 grams of protein. Not bad on the protein side per slice. It has calcium 8%, iron 20%, potassium, okay, that's 0. So these are the directions. I think it's an interesting product so far. We're going to test it out and see. Right now we're waiting for the oven and we will see you in a few minutes. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out of the oven. Okay, thanks, honey. You can turn off your timer. And in the instruction it said to make sure the cheese was melted. What do you think?
I think it's done.
Alright, so we're going to stick this here. And here we captured the birthday girl next to the pizza. Okay, honey. Now we just have to cut it, huh?
A trick we use around our house that makes it easier is instead of a knife, use a scissor and you don't mash your pizza.
And you'll burn if you still burn your fingers though.
Gary is a tender finger.
Okay, so what about like that? That would be a quarter, right? You want a large, what kind of piece size do you want?
Why don't you cut it right here for Mom? Cut a nice little piece there. There's one.
Okay. And what about you?
Here for me.
Okay, so here, like this right here?
Yeah, perfect. Are you a tender finger?
I'm a tender finger.
You
Okay.
act like you're burning your fingers cutting off these
Because
pieces.
it's hot.
And how big of a piece do you want?
Yeah, I'll take a monster piece, as like I always do.
Now you're going to try a taste and see how you like it.
Okay, so now we're going to go zoom in on Linda.
Here we go. Well, let's see how this pizza tastes.
What do you think?
Hot. It's very mild flavor. I like it, even though there's not a ton of cheese, but there's just enough to make it taste good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, so we recommend this pizza. We hope that you enjoy it too when you purchase it. Thank you very much for watching us. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye now.
Bye. Thanks for joining me on my birthday.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.